everyone, it's Regina from Pampers Soaps, back today with another video. Today I'm making my infused chamomile and calendula soap. This one we're going to use our molds here for, so this will be quick and easy. I've already mixed it up, and I'm just going to pour these into the molds. It smells like calendula and chamomile. It's scented with Roman blue essential oil, chamomile oil. Right. And I'm going to top these off with a little bit of the calendula as well. So, let's see. So this is just to offer a little bit of different variety for you guys. So we'll be offering, starting January 1st, new bars. So these will be the first of many to come. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top here for you. The calendula herb is one of my favorite herbs. It's very good for acne and eczema. It soothes the skin, any irritation, so especially things like rashes as well. So it's one of the favorites that I use in many of my soaps. Most of you are probably familiar with the infused rose soap that I use this in also. All right, I think we're about ready. Okay, and then once this settles a little bit, I'll spritz the top with alcohol like I always do, just so it sets better, keep everything sanitary. And I'll come back with another short video to show you guys what this looks like when we unmold it. Until next week, guys, be safe out there, and we'll see you next week.